The FHRHRY MDS47123619 washer door seal is a well-made replacement boot that matches original equipment dimensions for a snug, leak-free fit on compatible front-load machines. Its rubber compound feels thick yet flexible, which helps it maintain a tight seal over time while resisting cracking and unpleasant odors. This seal is designed to work with a wide range of LG and Kenmore front-load washers, making it a practical option if you own multiple machines or are helping someone else with a repair. Once installed correctly, it does an excellent job keeping wash water inside the drum, so you are far less likely to see drips around the door or puddles on the floor. Homeowners with basic tools can usually swap the old gasket for this one in well under an hour, avoiding a service call and getting the washer back in use quickly. Overall, the combination of solid construction, broad compatibility, and straightforward installation makes this washer door seal a dependable choice for restoring a front-load washer to clean, quiet operation.